The opportunity to sell artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory products, turn your talent into profit. Have you ever imagined turning your love for cooking into a thriving business? The market for artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory products is growing at an impressive rate. And the good news is that it offers one of the best business opportunities today. If you are passionate about creating unique flavors and want to turn this passion into a source of income, this is your chance. Let's explore together the biggest advantages of entering this industry and how it can become the opportunity you've been waiting for. The demand for artisanal products is on the rise. In recent years, consumers have become increasingly demanding. In a world where industrialized options dominate supermarket shelves, there is a growing demand for artisanal products made with care. Artisanal sweets and savory products stand out for their superior quality, fresh ingredients, and the feeling that they are made with dedication, something that big food brands cannot offer. Furthermore, unlike many industrial products, which can be produced in bulk and often without concern for flavor and presentation, artisanal sweets and savory foods convey a sense of exclusivity and personalization. This makes them highly valued, especially at special events such as weddings, birthdays, and corporate celebrations, where consumers seek something unique and memorable. The gourmet food trend is growing. The term gourmet has ceased to be a differential and has become a true desire among consumers. People want to try new, different, and innovative flavors. Gourmet sweets and savory foods have become a true fetish for those who enjoy fine cuisine, but in an affordable way. A simple gourmet coxinha or a brigadeiro with unusual flavors can provide an unforgettable sensory experience, which generates a constant demand for these products. You can create sophisticated versions of traditional foods, such as stuffed cakes, stuffed brigadeiros, thin pies, quiches, puff pastries, and other items, always with a gourmet touch that will win over your customers' taste buds. And the best part is that gourmet foods allow you to charge a higher price, precisely because of the quality and exclusivity they offer. Flexibility and creativity in production. One of the great advantages of working with artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory foods is the flexibility that this industry offers. You can create your own products, test new recipes, and quickly adapt to the preferences of the public. From the flavor to the presentation, you have total freedom to innovate and differentiate your products in the market. In addition, customization is one of the greatest strengths of this industry. Your customers can order sweets or savory foods tailored to their needs, whether for a themed party, a special gift, or a corporate event. This possibility of customization and the experience of providing something unique to the consumer are aspects that make the artisanal food market extremely attractive. Low initial cost and high profitability. Unlike many traditional businesses, selling artisanal sweets and savory foods does not require a large initial investment. With a few basic pieces of equipment, such as mixers, ovens, and kitchen utensils, you can start production at home, reducing fixed costs. And even with a small investment, the financial return can be very high. The profit margin for artisanal products is considerable, especially if you know how to position your products in the market. Gourmet sweets and savory snacks, for example, can be sold at much higher prices than regular industrial products, since their ingredients are of high quality and their production is manual and careful. In other words, with a good pricing strategy and a quality product offering, you can obtain an excellent return on your initial investment. Niche market and growth potential. If you are looking for a market with great growth potential, artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory snacks are an excellent choice. The diversification of niches within this sector is practically endless. You can focus on vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free, organic products, or even products aimed at a more fitness-oriented audience, such as healthy and functional snacks. These niches are on the rise, as many consumers are increasingly concerned with healthy eating and choosing products that meet their specific dietary needs. By offering options to this audience, you become not only a supplier of delicious food, but also an ally in the search for a healthier lifestyle. In addition, the growth of the events and celebrations market, such as weddings, birthday parties, and corporate events, is only set to increase, creating more opportunities for those who want to sell gourmet sweets and savory snacks. Online sales, access to a global market. With the internet and social media, you are no longer limited to your neighborhood or city. The possibility of selling online opens doors to a much wider market. Whether through your own website, e-commerce platforms, or even social media, you can reach consumers from different regions and even countries, depending on your market niche. Delivery platforms are also on the rise, and many consumers prefer to buy artisanal foods through this means. Using these sales tools can be a great differentiator, in addition to allowing you to serve customers quickly and conveniently without needing a physical location, connecting with customers, and building a brand. When selling artisanal sweets and savory snacks, you are not just selling a product, but creating a connection with your customers. People value the story behind the product, the care with which it is made, and the experience it provides. This allows you to build a strong and loyal brand based on quality, trust, and authenticity. Your customers will become your best promoters, spreading word of mouth and recommending your products to friends and family. Over time, as your brand grows stronger, you will become a reference in the industry, attracting more and more people willing to pay for a high-quality product with a unique flavor. The time to start is now. The market for artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory foods is one of the most promising segments in gastronomy, and the good news is that you can start today. If you are passionate about cooking and have the desire to share your flavors with the world, this is the perfect opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable and sustainable business. With low startup costs, the possibility of serving specific market niches, and the chance to sell your products both locally and online, there is no limit to success. The secret is to create a high-quality product, invest in a good marketing strategy, and provide a unique experience for your customers. So, what are you waiting for to take the first step and seize this true business opportunity? The market is ready and waiting for you. If you dream of turning your passion for cooking into a profitable business, selling artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory treats is an excellent opportunity. The market is booming, and with the right planning, you can win your first customers quickly. Let's take a look at the step-by-step process to start this business and ensure success. Step 1. Plan your business. Before you start, it's essential to have a well-structured plan. Define what you're going to sell, which products will be your focus, and how you'll stand out in the market. Be creative and offer something unique. Research your target audience. Will you cater to events such as weddings and birthday parties? Or will you offer your products for everyday consumption? Knowing exactly who your customer is will make your marketing and sales strategies easier. Another important point, study the competition. See what other businesses are doing and how you can stand out by offering something different or more exclusive. Step 2. Take care of the legal and administrative side. Even if you're a small business, it's essential to comply with local laws. Register your business and check the licenses required to sell food. Get your accounting in order from the start, either with an accountant or using financial control tools. Remember, good financial management is the key to long-term profitability. Step 3. Define your costs and prices. Accurately calculate the production costs of each item, including ingredients, packaging, and your labor. Now define the selling price. Add up the costs and add your profit margin, but remember that the price must be competitive. Research what your competitors are charging, but at the same time, justify a higher price with the quality of your products. Step 4. Create an attractive menu. Diversifying your menu is a great way to attract different types of customers. Start with a basic menu and, as your business grows, add new products. Don't forget to offer options for different needs, such as gluten-free or vegan sweets and savory dishes. Customization is also a great differentiator. Offer custom products for parties or special events. This will make your business stand out in the market. Step 5. Invest in marketing and promotion. Now that your products are ready, it's time to promote them. Use social media to show the production process and the final results. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are great platforms for this. Showcase your sweets and savory treats in a creative and attractive way. Also, don't forget about online sales. Create an online store or use e-commerce platforms to sell your products. You can also make sales directly through WhatsApp or other social networks. Partnerships with local cafes or stores are also an excellent way to increase the visibility of your business. Step 6. Manage your production and logistics. To ensure that your production is efficient, organize your inventory of ingredients and packaging well. This will prevent waste and ensure that you have everything you need at the right time. Quality should be your priority. Always use fresh ingredients and ensure that your production processes are consistent. If you sell online, think about delivery logistics. Offering a fast and efficient service will help to build customer loyalty. Punctual and well-made deliveries make all the difference. Step 7. Evaluate your results and reinvest. Once you have put everything into practice, it is time to evaluate the results. Check the profitability of each product and see where you can improve. Reinvest part of the profits in your business, whether it is by purchasing more quality ingredients, improving the packaging, or even expanding the menu. And as your business grows, think of new ways to increase your revenue, such as offering kits or promotions for special dates. Starting a business. Selling artisanal and gourmet sweets and savory treats is an excellent opportunity for those looking to make money from something they love to do. With planning, dedication, and a good strategy, it is possible to achieve great results. Remember that success in the industry lies in offering quality products, differentiated service, and always seeking to innovate. The market is expanding, and now is the perfect time to take the first step and start your own business. In the heart of New York, a simple bakery was able to transform itself into a true empire of artisanal sweets and savory treats. Magnolia Bakery, a name that is now synonymous with quality, flavor, and authenticity, went from a small and unknown store to one of the biggest references in the artisanal dessert market, all thanks to a set of strategic decisions and a business model that knew how to take advantage of the right opportunities, quality and tradition as the foundation. The key to Magnolia Bakery's success has always been the quality of its products. From the beginning, the bakery has focused on traditional and artisanal recipes with fresh and high-quality ingredients. Each cake, cupcake, or pie was prepared with attention to detail, creating a unique experience for those who tasted it. It wasn't just about selling sweets. It was about offering something that was different from industrial products. Each item at Magnolia Bakery was handmade, with the same dedication that a mother would have when preparing a recipe for her family. This commitment to quality earned the loyalty of customers, who began to notice the difference in the products and, more importantly, the emotional connection that these artisanal desserts could create. The idea that each cake or cupcake was prepared with care and authenticity became the true differentiator for Magnolia, creating a passionate fan base. The appearance that changed everything, the power of smart marketing. While the quality of the products was the foundation, the real turning point for Magnolia Bakery was its marketing strategy. In 2000, the bakery had a unique opportunity to be mentioned in one of the most iconic episodes of the series Sex and the City. In this episode, the main characters appear in front of the store, enjoying cupcakes, which generated an instant viral effect. The episode made Magnolia Bakery a must-see tourist spot in New York, attracting not only locals but also tourists from all over the world. This free exhibition was a clear example of how the right marketing, at the right time, can transform a small business. Lines began to form outside the bakery, and demand for the cupcakes and other sweet treats quickly grew. Magnolia was able to capitalize on this exposure and turn spontaneous marketing into a solid customer base. This shows how the combination of a good product and the right timing can create a boom in visibility and success for any business. Strategic expansion, the relevance of the growth model. Magnolia Bakery not only grew with the visibility generated by the series, but also knew how to expand strategically. The first branch was opened outside of New York and Los Angeles, an important step in consolidating the brand throughout the country. Expanding to other cities, with stores that maintained the original quality and charm, was essential to ensure that the brand remained true to its values as it grew. In addition, Magnolia knew how to adapt its offering to new market demands. For example, the bakery quickly realized the growing demand for gluten-free and vegan sweet options. By including these alternatives in its menu, the brand not only served a larger audience, but also positioned itself as innovative and concerned with the needs of its customers. This demonstrated a great ability to identify and adapt to market trends, a fundamental step for any business that wants to remain relevant. Customer loyalty, creating a unique experience. Another important aspect of Magnolia Bakery's success was its ability to create a unique experience for customers. Each store was not just a place to buy pastries, but a space that provided a true sensory experience. The welcoming environment, charming decor, and personalized service made customers feel special and part of a community. This experience was essential for customer loyalty. Many came not only for the quality of the products, but because they felt an emotional connection with the brand. The fact that Magnolia Bakery offered a unique experience helped build a loyal customer base, who returned not only for the products, but also for the environment the bakery offered. Adapting to the digital age, expanding boundaries. As technology and e-commerce grew, Magnolia Bakery also adapted to this new landscape. The bakery began selling its products online, allowing customers across the country to sample the famous pastries without leaving home. Magnolia Bakery's website became a robust sales platform that not only offered its products for delivery, but also helped solidify the brand's presence in the digital world. Social media played a key role in building the brand, allowing the bakery to interact directly with its customers and fans. Instagram, for example, became a showcase for its products, with engaging photos and videos that showcased the artisanal process of making the pastries. This digital presence helped further build customer loyalty, as they felt like they were part of something bigger when they followed Magnolia on social media. As the business expanded, Magnolia Bakery also diversified its product offering. In addition to cupcakes and cakes, the company introduced cookies, brownies, pies, and even event options, such as catering and custom kits. This diversification not only increased the product portfolio, but also served a wider audience with different tastes and needs. The brand also invested in physical stores in different countries, such as Dubai, which helped to consolidate its global presence. Each new store maintained the same level of quality and the welcoming environment that has become Magnolia Bakery's trademark. Sustained success, staying true to the essence. Magnolia Bakery's success is not due to a series of isolated factors alone, but to the way the company has maintained its essence over time. In an ever-changing market, the bakery has managed to stay true to its artisanal quality, its commitment to customers, and the business model that has always worked. Magnolia Bakery has proven that with a clear vision, a quality product, and the ability to adapt, it is possible to transform a small bakery into a successful global empire. The story of Magnolia Bakery is proof that with a quality-focused business model, effective marketing, and the ability to adapt to customer needs, it is possible to achieve lasting success. What started as a simple artisanal bakery in New York has become a true global phenomenon, inspiring thousands of entrepreneurs around the world. Magnolia Bakery is a clear example of how passion, innovation, and commitment to the customer can take a small business to great heights. If you enjoyed this inspiring story and want to learn more about how to grow your business, be sure to check out our upcoming videos. We will continue to explore success stories, valuable tips, and incredible strategies to help you conquer your space in the market. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay up to date with everything we have in store for you. Until the next video, and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.